This broken input shaft before you was working fine before it broke due to the owner's aggressive driving. This input shaft was snapped clean in two. So he came to this well-known repair shop in Pakistan. The mechanic took one look and said for the right price, fixing this input shaft would be no problem. After all, for him, besides feelings, there's nothing that can't be repaired. The master first took some simple measurements of the broken input shaft, then confidently started the lathe. We must machine the input shaft's uneven, fractured surface until it's perfectly flat. This isn't just for appearance. It's preparation for the rejoining work. With the turning complete, the master drilled a hole in the center. He skillfully expanded it to its maximum depth. You may wonder if a hole this big weakens the truck's input shaft, but don't worry. With years of experience, the master knows what he's doing. The input shaft is drilled, then its interior is threaded with a lathe for better positioning. The input shaft broke. The first half is already machined. Now the second half also needs to be machined. They say with a lathe, you can conquer the world. For a master, it unlocks the world of mechanical manufacturing. He decisively faces the second half surface, repeating the process he used for the first part. Soon, the two machined halves of the shaft were ready. Due to machining and drilling, the input shaft will inevitably shorten. So finding the right cylindrical iron rod to fill in the gap becomes crucial. Not just any metal will work. Axle shafts must be extremely hard and strong. This titanium alloy rod handles high torque impact well, making it the best choice for the shaft connection. Machining this pin requires extreme precision. The master must be precise when cutting threads. Achieving a good interference fit with his equipment is extremely difficult, but he has the skill. With the thread cut, he screwed the half shaft onto the pin, then tightened it with a large pipe wrench. Everything went very smoothly. The master again turned to the other side, decisively machining a face to secure it. When the pin was machined, the master showed us what a true interference fit is. The master was tired, so the dimensions were slightly off, but he fixed it easily with a few blows of his hammer. After being struck with a sledgehammer, the pin was installed in this half of the shaft, but it can't be used just yet. It needs to be mounted on the lathe again for welding. After welding, the excess material is removed. After turning, an angle grinder is used to grind the original gear teeth. With incredibly steady hands, this master's measurements have absolutely zero deviation. What looks like a simple process is backed by his vast, valuable experience. Each step is vital, showing the master's commitment to tradition and skill. With his own hands, this Pakistani master again revived a seemingly junk part. This Pakistani master's repair skills are a match for Big Eye's uncle.